Hey guys, it's Blake Holbrooks with MarineMax on Lake Wylie. Today we're out on the water checking out a 2025 Harris 210 Sunliner. So we're starting up here in the bow. You can really see that they did make as much use of this 21 feet of space on this pontoon as possible, right? So we've got storage underneath each of these cushions up here in the bow. We've got two nice sized loungers for this to be a 21 foot model up here in the bow, as well as cup holders and plug-ins on either side up here, and armrests that are going to flip up and down as well. We'll take a quick look at the helm. Awesome part of this 210, you don't see it on a lot of them, is the Simrad unit. So you're going to have full GPS, engine management, chart plotter, all fish finder controls is going to be inside that unit there. You got a Clarion stereo with 4 speakers on board, and lots of manual switches over here for some lighting, some accessory switches, as well as your master power switch. You have a locking glove compartment down here to the right below your throttle. And then this is a full swivel captain's chair with the adjustable armrest and seat back. Really cool aspect of the Sunliner is going to be this hideaway trash can that you've got on the port side here. And that is on the seat back of your port side lounger with the armrest and more storage underneath this big lounger here. This is going to be a 3-position lounger, so you can face forward, aft, or if you want, you can lay it all the way flat down there. Moving all the way to the back here, you got a nice big bench seat on the transom with a built-in cooler underneath here. Your safety chains that attach straight to your fender rails, and a nice tow bar on top of your 150 horsepower Mercury, so you can pull anything you want with here. Some tubes, skis, anybody you want to have, anybody out on the water with having fun, you're gonna be able to pull them with this pontoon here. If you guys have any questions about this boat or anything else here at MarineMax on Lake Wylie, you can give us a call at 803-831-2101. You can ask for me, Blake.